tonight, so I'm sitting down. I hate that everything I am is fake, and yet I still keep pretending. 6 months have come and gone, but yet no sign of the cycle ending. Leaving behind the intimate, because I'm just not that into it. Left God 6 months ago, but yet He still sees fit to provide me with His blessing. I'm sick of screaming out my lungs to Him, but not getting any answers. But mostly, I'm sick of claiming to be a part of the solution when I'm mainly contributing to the cancer. 17 years of living is useless if I leave Him alone on the shelf. Yet I've gotten to a place where I'm doubting I can love anyone other than myself. Do I love the Father, or am I in love with rap and spoken word? Do I love rhyming enough to kick God to the curb? I'm good with words, they tell me. Well, I'm not called to be a speaker. I'm supposed to be an activated activist, philanthropist for the people. My heart is callous, soul is bruised, ego swollen, mind confused, but I am to blame for letting my abilities be misused. I can speak perfect words to capture emotion, and it's my passion. Yet I have compromised my beliefs and the integrity of my poetry with my own horrendous actions. And I buried myself in a world of blasphemous and cynical laughter. And I've locked the door, turned out the key, swore to serve a dark master. I've failed myself, but most importantly, my Father. And I've been hurting more than I have ever hurt before. So I'm going to beg His forgiveness first. Then I swear I'm going to war. For better or worse, tonight start the beginning of the ending. And I'm of Journey chapter 1, and I'm moving forward. I can be the best soothsayer and soothsayer that I could ever be. But if it isn't all for Him, then what the heck is it gonna be? Because at the end of the day, some new kid will come in town and take my place. And I'll have to stand behind and think, what have I done? Because for everything I've said, for all the raps I've rhymed, someone else will come and take my place, and I'll be done, leaving behind nothing, just a bunch of words and scrambled, no actions to back them up, and I'll be right where I've begun, square one, phase ending, no thoughts, I'm left pretending, I'm left talking to you suckers, because I'm still condescending. I keep rhyming and rhyming all the time, everybody tells me I'm awesome, but in the silver lining, there's nothing to back it up. I don't have anything. I don't do anything. I'm just suck it up and have to keep moving on, acknowledging the fact that God is not in my life. Because everything I am, I ignore Him through the strife. I ignore Him through the happiness. I ignore Him through the bad times. I ignore Him every time I write these half-cocked lines. And every time I keep rhyming, and I rhyme any harder than I have before. And yet there's nothing. There has to be more. There has to be more, because at the end of the day, I'm sick of being just another lost piece of cattle. I'm sick of being the guy that has to get wrangled back in. I want to go to battle. I want to bang. I want to freaking smash his head in, because the devil has left me right where I'm left behind. I want to give him a taste of his own medicine, and I have to do this now, because if I don't, then I won't have another chance. I'll be gone, knocked out, killed, dead. And this is my last battle, the last lance, the last time that you'll ever see my face in these lines. Because if I come back and spit more rhymes, and I don't think that I can contain my pride, and I have to move on and just be satisfied. Otherwise, this will be a spiritual cyanide. So I'm signing off. This is it. Mark your calendars, February. And this is it. I'm done. And this is my sanctuary. I'm sanctimonious peace. I'm telling you, good riddance. With this mic in my hand, and this is where my spirit is. I'm done, through with it all. Because I need to answer my race, and I have to finish the call. I have to go to war, have to be the best, have to be better than I ever have before. Because I have to get past the spiritual test. This is it. I'm signing off. This is my last saying. Remember me for who I am, and not for what I pretended to be.